Hello guys, in this video we'll be guiding you through 5 best travel insurance companies in the USA. So stick around to the end and you just might find your favorite. Coming up at number 5, you have Star Insurance. Star Insurance comes with its premium plan, and this policy offers $250,000 in travel medical coverage and $500,000 in medical evacuation benefits. Forbes mentions that Star's premier policy stood out in the evaluation for its generous baggage insurance, which comes at about $2,500 per person. So you guessed it, the highlight of Star Insurance is great for baggage insurance and comes at a Forbes rating of 4.6. Coming up at number 4, you have Seven Corners. Seven Corners highlights the cruise insurance plan, and this policy provides $250,000 in travel medical coverage and $500,000 in medical evacuation benefits. One of the reasons we like Seven Corners is its short waiting period of 6 hours for travel and baggage delays. So you guessed it, the highlight of Seven Corners is great for short delay waiting periods. And coming up with a Forbes rating of 4.8, we have World Trips with its Atlas Journey Elevate plan. This policy offers $250,000 in travel medical benefits and $1 million in medical evacuation coverage. The competitive pricing of the Atlas Journey Elevate policy from World Trips helps it to get to its position. It has the lowest average cost among the top policies in general rankings. So you guessed it, World Trips highlights itself for the best price. And coming up at number 2, we have Nationwide Travel Insurance. With its cruise lottery plan, it's ideal for cruise-specific advantages, providing $250,000 in medical expense coverage per person and $1 million in evacuation benefits. One of the highlights is that Nationwide's cruise lottery policy includes $1,000 per person in itinerary change benefits and a $250 inconvenience benefit per person for delays caused by a fire or a mechanical breakdown at the port of call. So you guessed it, the highlight of Nationwide Travel Insurance is that it's best for cruise itinerary changes. And coming up at number 1, we have IMG Travel Insurance. With its iTravel Insured LX plan, this policy offers a superior traveling medical coverage of $500,000 and $1 million in medical evacuation benefits per person. The plan includes a cancel for any reason upgrade and provides excellent baggage insurance of $2,500 per person. It has a superior travel medical coverage compared to the others and has a Forbes rating of 5.0. And as you guessed it, it's great for medical expenses and evacuation. So whether you're looking for a comprehensive coverage, cruise-specific options, or a competitive pricing, these options have got you covered, so go ahead and pick one of them. Let us know if this was helpful, and thanks for watching.